Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So I just came up on a roof taking a quick look at it. It's for one that we just did some side metal impact damage on. And I was coming up on the roof and I don't see nothing too crazy other than the roof needs to get scrubbed. Looks like the customer has been battling some cracks on the skylight. Their vent lid in the bathroom's left open, but there's a bubble here on the roof membrane. I don't know if you can see that. I'm not sure what that's caused from. I don't know if it's something related to the air conditioner or not, or wind getting up underneath there. There's also a bubble over here on the side, but little ones throughout, but that's just kind of normal. Could be from wind. I just stepped on it to see if it sticks back down, but it is pretty hot today. It's the attic vent. Sealant's on the front. Looks like whoever owns it's been doctoring up the seams, as there's some other spots in the background that they did. But if you can, when you see this video, make sure you're putting the 303 UV treatment on your AC covers, because it's starting to discolor. Same thing with your, probably going to want to replace that at some point, but same thing with your skylight. Vent lid's got a lot of tree branch marks on it. Looks like you've been doctoring something up around the solar port and so on. So that back one you can really see compared to how bright this is to how dull that is. That's why it's so important to put that UV treatment on there to take care of it. And then, of course, keeping up your sealants, keeping them clean. It looks like this person that owns it's been keeping them clean. So here's an example next to us of a brand new roof we just replaced. And you can see how shiny that solar panel, or the skylight, is. And it's the same version as this one. So we're starting to lose its sheen. And then if you look over at like a coach next to us, you see how dirty the sealants are and how discolored and yellow things are, and how all the plumbing vents are not as black as they used to be. Same thing with the vent lids. So just make sure you're keeping up on that kind of fun stuff, and those UV treatments do go a long ways. So, all right, well, thanks so much for watching. This is Dustin, Urban Specialist.